We had a bit of rain yesterday in Gauteng as well as in parts of Pretoria, so not just in Johannesburg. And we've even seen some thunderstorms in Mpumalanga and also Limpopo. Now this afternoon there's a possibility of rain once again, but before we get to that, let's take a look at our morning minimum temperatures. This morning, 2 in Sutherland, 10 in De Aar, 14 in Bloemfontein and 11 in Bethlehem. Not too cold this morning in Gauteng with minimum temperatures in the mid-teens, and a warm morning in parts of KwaZulu-Natal, especially along the coastline, 16 in Richards Bay and Durban, 15 today in Bombela. Now this afternoon it's going to be cooler in the west, where maximum temperatures will be at around 20 degrees Celsius for parts of the Cape provinces, where we see that green colour coming through. That indicates temperatures in the upper teens. And for this afternoon, only 17 in Sutherland, 20 in George and Cape Town, but a warm afternoon in the Free State, and then even hot in parts of Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, and a hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, especially the interior, with maximum temperatures in the lower 30s. So it is a much warmer day in KZN compared to yesterday, when it was cloudy, cool and misty for most of the afternoon. Now today's rainfall map shows a possibility of isolated afternoon thunderstorms. Now we expect this mainly in Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo, but there is a very small possibility for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms also in Gauteng. This morning we already have a few thunderstorms in parts of Mpumalanga, mainly in the southern parts of the province, and there's also a possibility for a few thunderstorms in the eastern part of KwaZulu-Natal, with light rain along the south coast and also in Cape Town from a weak cold front. Let's take a quick look at your wind for the afternoon. It's going to be quite breezy on the Highveld, with also a strong wind this afternoon along the coastline of the Eastern Cape, and we expect a moderate to fresh wind along the west coast. And then very briefly, tomorrow afternoon, thunderstorms again for the northeast, but it's going to be dry across the rest of the country, partly cloudy and cool along the south coast and in Cape Town. That's where I leave it for now, but I will be back at the end of the hour with a more detailed update.